All right, y'all, shout out to Hermosa here for sponsoring today's video. Today's hair video is very, very simple. I already got the unit on because it's just that easy of an install today, guys. Y'all already know today's the same day install. This is an 8x5 unit, guys. Very, very nice and seamless, as you guys can see. This is 18 inches long. It is 250% density, guys, and it is absolutely glueless. It does come with your standard combs in the back, 3 combs and an adjustable strap, and that's all you need. The unit is very, very nice, seamless, and glueless. This is a bigger density, as you guys can see. This is 250% density, but you guys can see the full flex of this beautiful hair. I did show you guys that I wet the hair up, put a little product in it, and this is what it looks like air dried. Look at the curls, honey. Look at the curls, babes. Very, very cute. Very, very demure, all right? Very, very nice. Now, there is kind of like a little bit of a layer in the front area of this 8x5, which I actually appreciate. I didn't have to go in and put like a little bit of a layer. If you want to do like some fringe, like a nice little curly fringe, I think that would definitely eat it up, guys. But I'm telling you guys, this little middle part situation right here is definitely giving exactly what it needs to give. Today's install, again, is very easy, so that's why I'm talking to you guys before the install portion, because it's just a straight out the pack, guys. Put it on my head, add a little water, add a little razzle dazzle, and that is that. So for my beginner friendly girls out there, this is definitely the wig that you need. And this unit is also budget friendly, baby. This unit is about $150, so you really can't beat that. And again, very, very glueless, like ultra glueless. Ultra glueless, ultra realistic. As you guys can see, it is very, look at that, very realistic and very cute. And again, the curls are absolutely stunning. I love the 18-inch. I think the 18-inch does exactly what it has to do. I did go ahead and trim a little bit in the front right here because they did have like that longer kind of slant curly look. So I just trimmed the front up just to kind of even it out, and I absolutely love it, guys. So if you like this unit, guys, make sure you go ahead and shop the direct link in the bio so you can actually go ahead and get your hands on this unit. Again, like I said, this unit is super affordable, guys, and I'm going to show you guys just how easy it is to install this unit.